Okay, so this has now finished its processing, and we have our data that has now been extended and integrated, and this again should be topologically correct. So let's open up a new project, and you'll see it should actually end up reloading this data file. So fantastic. And we can zoom on in, and we can start looking at how we might continue to excuse me, digitize this. So we toggle editing, and we're splitting our features. So as you'll notice, as you get close to a node, the crosshair starts to flash and highlight, and you see that little cross going in, so it'll snap into that node there. Get to that point and right click. Brilliant. Okay. Similarly, we want to move this out here. So let's put this in at, say, 3000. Let's minimize that processing toolbox. Okay. Move that processing toolbox. That will do that. Okay, actually just move it out to, here we are, so snap in, go up to this point here, put in a couple across there. Pan up. Takes a bit of time because every time it's reloading the web mapping service. Carry on with our digitizing. Do a click and right click. So fantastic. But we'll notice here that we've got a bit of an issue between our two fields because we have this line running through it. So let's take our selection here and then control click selection here. So we should have two features, and we'll merge those two selected features. Ta-da! And the line now disappears. Okay, so let's go through this again and carry on digitizing. While we're here, we might as well save our layer edits. So get yourself to a scale which you're comfortable in. 1 to 3000 is fine at the moment. We move on up, and so let's split our feature. Here we are. And there you see. Final click, right click to tell it to stop. Let's select our two, click in, control click onto the other polygon, and then we will select merge. Click on the merge attributes. Ta-da! Right, fabulous. And so on and so forth. So we can go all the way around and extend this so that it ends up being in the appropriate area. So let's add in another one, split feature here. We can be a little bit anal about this. So here we are again, badumph and badumph and merge. Okay, brilliant. And a bit closer. And just show, pretty much exactly what we can do if we do this at a very fine degree of granularity. So, wanting to split our features. If you notice there, I digitized that point in advance, so it's something I could click onto. Okay. Now, this is just a single case in point being very refined on the digitizing. But this is the kind of work that the Ordnance Survey do for their master map data. So we've now got the footprint of that building. It's not a complete footprint, but we can subdivide it if we so desire. So it does include kind of the courtyards. And so on and so forth. So anyway, so it's a quick refresher on a digitizing. Once you finish the work that you want to do, right click, you save your layer edits, turn off the editing, and you are done.